Hi friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another flip through of a little red hen journal. This is the one I showed you yesterday, and this, as far as said I was going to show it today, this is the one I actually flipped through yesterday, a little golden book, little red hen journal. So that one I said was going to be in my shop. I don't know if it still is at this point because that video hasn't been published yet. But anyway, this was kind of a spur of the moment. I think I'll make a journal out of this one too while I was making that other one. And so I did. And it was a lot of fun. So it was a little paperback, cardstock type cover book that I found somewhere at a thrift store or whatever. And I don't know if I bought it just for the pages or what, but recently I realized I could make journals out of paperback books too, and I liked doing those and binding them with the wires here. So I think they come out really cute and fun. So anyway, as you can see, I did a similar fashion as the other one with the yellow rickrack and a little orange flower and a tassel and everything. So it's so cute. You just wait till you see it. But yeah, and it's even got a little golden spine. It's a little golden book, but it was like a freebie given out by Chick-fil-A, I think it says on the back. I think it said that somewhere, I'm not sure. But anyway, I think it was a little freebie. Yeah, I don't see it now, but I made a little tassel for it. Here, as you can see, with the same fibers I used on the other one. It's just a little bit smaller one, so it wouldn't be too big and overpower this smaller journals. And I've got all the paper clips here. I've got some ruffles and some pom-pom there. Let me tell you what size this one is. Without the coils, it is 6. Oh yeah, I think it was 6 by 6. No, 6 by 6.5. 6.5. 6.5 long, 6 wide, and then you add the coils onto that, of course, and that's 6.5. So anyway, super fun, super cute. I did a little collage on the back of this one too, and I've got orange rickrack here on the back of this one, yellow rickrack on the front, got the little orange applique flower, and the same paper here as on the golden book one. And the pages are in here too, the little pages from the original book. So this little paperback book was from 1982 also, just like the other one, says the same thing. And so let's just do a little flip here. I've got this little flip out is the index page from my sewing book, and I love index pages. I don't know about you guys, but I have a thing for index pages. So this is like the index page that was in the back of a vintage sewing book, and I made a little fold out here, and the chick trim is there. I used the same papers in here. This is a double-sided. This is a dictionary page here, or encyclopedia page from a children's encyclopedia. I have a little tuck spot here that is a tree, half of a tree. We made a lot of these index journal cards together. This is the little goat card, so that is in there. And here's a little chick I made out of Dollar Tree goodies, the felt and the little chick trim and things. That's a little tag. And all the paper clips are decorated, but that is on double-sided scrapbook paper, cardstock. I used a lot of the cardstock cutoffs and pieces in here too. That was a great way. That's one reason I don't have anything for a goodie pack. I just kind of used all the extras in this journal, so that was a lot of fun. A page from the book, some music paper, cardstock here from the Echo Park Farm, themed collection kit I used. This is a little tag, a wallpaper tag here. It's just a little narrow one. It's pretty cute. Let me show you. It's pretty. It's it's different, but very cute there. All the pockets I left open, so you can glue them down or do whatever you want, but they are left open here for you to do what you want. And in this, so I have Country Time sticker and a little chick coming out of an egg there. And this is a little from the other book that I used to make ephemera for these. It was the baby animals, moms and baby animals. Anyway, these are little baby swans, and they're on this index card. It's a green index card. So here's a little, this is a cut apart from the collection kit. And page from the book. And then just some, I had some plaid scrapbook paper here in my craft room that I'm trying to kind of use up. It's coffee dyed. But anyway, I thought it would be good for the farm theme, this red plaid. I have a little sticker from the collection kit, Echo Park, Wild and Free. This is a little scrapbook paper page here with a pocket journaling card here. I would choose country life over city life any day, is what it says. And a little kind of a decoration, but it's also a belly band, a day in the country, and a little mini moo card. This has a mixer on it and a recipe card and little collage fabrics there at the top. Little mini tag. Here's the first ruffle. Scrapbook paper here. I have a card there, drawing card on that as kind of like a tag, and it flips out. This is a piece from the encyclopedia, children's encyclopedia, and there's an apple sticker right there. Page from the book. And this is a little, see a little cutoff. See what I mean? I used up all my cutoffs in here. This says Farm Life. Here's a tag you can put together if you would like, or use it separately however you wish. You could even use these little cutouts here as stencils somewhere, but this is a piece of cardstock with stars cut out and a little chicken. So I thought that would look cute together if you wanted to put it together, but it's for someone to do whatever they wish. Pocket here with a journaling card. This is a puppy and a kitten and the horse and buggy, or it's just the buggy part. That's an index card. It's a cupcake index card. I've got all the pockets. I got a little something on all the pockets, and this one has a little sticker that says the family that farms together stays together. A little page from encyclopedia. Oh, this is from a children's dictionary. That's what this is from. Trying to see what it says on it. Yeah, that has some words and things on there. There's a little fence. Trying to figure out why I picked it out. It has a fence there. Maybe that's why I thought that was kind of like farm related. Little piece of cut off there. Cardstock here. And this is double-sized, cardstock. So I have a little trim here with the it looks like a bandana type pattern. And this is a triple tag here. This was a cutoff in another collection kit, I think it was, that I used. And I just thought it looked really cute in here with the colors and everything. And I thought it would be fun for someone to use. Here's another plaid scrapbook paper that I was talking about. I put the Fun on the Farm from the branding strip on here as a little decoration. So that's a fold out. It's coffee dyed on this side. That's the double-sided scrapbook paper, page from the book, and this was a cutoff, scrapbook paper, double-sided, and then I added a journaling card here, or a little tag here. So just a fun little, kind of like a Franken page that I put together. This is from the children's sectionary again. Cherries and things on there. A cut apart. Thank you, dairy. Thank you, dairy much. Dairy. So funny, aren't they? So lots of paper you can do things with in here. I do like to include these like solid colors. I think those are fun, and in plenty of room you can write. You can put a picture there. Just whatever you want. This says Farm Here Don't Care, and one of our little journaling cards that we made. This is a blue index card. We've got our fabrics up there. Those are a lot of fun to make. I really love making those. I wish I had more time to just sit down and I do sit down and make lots of ephemera, but wish I had even more time to do that. Page from the book, and this is a cutoff where I added a cutoff journaling card, or I cut apart. You are the apple of my eye. And a little crate of apples there. This was a page from a garden journal. It has some nice lines on it. Like this side has graph paper. This side has lines, and then there's a journaling card there too on the index card, the one with the cupcakes. And that's the cow card. Fun, right? And this one has, I always, when I put these back into a journal, I've taken them out of something, and I always put the holes, previous holes from the previous notebook or whatever on the outside so that somebody can do it. If they want to put ribbons or something through their yarn, whatever, they can do that. Pretty scrapbook paper here. Love the cow pattern. The red page here with the sunflower sticker and a sunflower cut apart drilling card. So that's in there. Cow print again. Page from the book. This is a manuscript music paper, and I added this little chicken card here on there. This one was actually used, so these notes were actually written by someone on here. And this is a pretty scrapbook paper here, where I've put a blank tag that I made from scrapbook paper or cardstock paper. And then I added a little chicken here. If you wanted to make a little tag out of this, you could. And you can decorate. This is a great color to put something on that will really show up. You know, whatever you put on there, that's a bright color, or even that little chicken there, that really shows up. So that is just fun things for you to have fun with. Pocket here. Love you till the cows come home with a tag. This is the little lamb tag. Green index card. A page here with a tag that I've clipped on. Let's party till the cows come home. Love that bandana, pattern paper. Page from the book. Double-sided scrapbook paper, music. And this is, let's see, what do I have here? This is scrapbook paper, double-sided, and on here I just added one of those little fun on the farm little pieces from the branding strip. I just glued it there. I wanted it crooked like that. I just, thought it would be cute. And so I just put it down as a little like belly band, and then put this little tag in there, little mini tag. So that's got a cupcake with some hearts and a little collage of fabric there. That's my son's dog outside, so he's letting her out apparently right now. Scrapbook paper. I've got a little duck there and a little card. I love you to the farm in back. That's green on the back. So you've got all the assortment of different size pages in here. Lots of fun pages. Lots of colorful pages. Lots of pages to put things in and do a little writing or make your own writing spots. Little card here that's clipped on. Here's the second ruffle, and second and last ruffle in here. That's encyclopedia, children's encyclopedia. This is a little page from a travel journal that I found, and it's got map related things on it. This says life is better on the farm. Little tag in there. And the last page from the book and the cover. So as I always say when I show you these wire bound Coil journals, just when you get to the back, just flip your pages back. That's the easiest way to close it. Just flip your pages and everything back, and there you go, all closed up. I don't usually put a closure on these because they just close nice for some reason, the way they're bound. And I try not to, I know how many pages I can put in here, so I put that, I have a limit, and then when you put it, it gets a little fluffier when you put your ephemera in, so you can see it's a little fluffy, but not too bad. So again, just as a reminder, I have 3 freebies that are going out with the next 3 journals. So it's either going to be this little box of goodies, which I showed you in yesterday's video if you didn't see that. I didn't take everything out, it's stuffed full of little tiny things. So that's going to go with one journal. And it's going to be random unless you tell me or ask me if I still have something. And then I can, if I have it, of course I would send it along with one of the journals. And this is a little photograph album. It's made from journal cards. It's wire bound with a red coil. So we've got little ribbons here. And it's just got these white pages in there, white cardstock that you can do whatever you want with. Add little photos or, writing. Use it as an autograph book or photos and autographs. That would be fun to put a little photograph in there and then have that Mickey Mouse's, you know, signature there, but this is from my Disney or Wish Upon a Star collection kit from Echo Park. And so this is the front and this is the back again, just as a reminder. That's Mickey Mouse pants, you know. So those two things. And I have one Daphne's Diary list. So one of these will come with each of the next 3 journals that are ordered from my shop. And it's random unless somebody asks me for something. And if I have it, I'll send it along. And if you order 1 journal, you get 1 thing. And if you order 3 journals, you'll get all 3. So I'm just saying, trying to explain how it works. And I'm going to be making more of these little notebooks. Not just like this because I only have one of this particular little thing. But other journaling cards is what I'm saying. I want to make, because I have a bunch of coils. These little small cutoff. These are kind of like cutoffs of the coils. And this is a good way to use them up. Make these little notebooks. So I want to make some more of these as freebies. And some more of Daphne's Diary. And believe me, what takes the longest out of those 3 to make is this. Because it takes a long time to cut up all these little scraps. Believe it or not, because the reason it takes so long is because I try to make them, first of all, they have to fit within this little card here, and second, I try my best to make them all the same size. So they're actually usually not the same size, but they're pretty close, but they all fit inside the cover. So, but it does take a while to cut those, believe it or not. I don't know why it takes me so long, but it does. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. This was just a fun little side, like, you know, urge I had to scratch to make this little journal. It's so cute and fun. And I got to use up all my scraps. That was so fun. So thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.